So I just did a big sigh right before starting to record here. Talk about a sleepless night last night. So there are, just like living in a home, there are those days or those nights, and I wouldn't even say that I got 5 hours of sleep last night. So don't know what was keeping me up. Might have been the moon beaming in one of our windows here, but whatever it is, I'm exhausted. So I started work early this morning, so the day started at about 6:30 since I couldn't sleep anyways. Working on a client project for one of our customers in Wisconsin still, so I'll be doing that for a couple of weeks. And I think another reason why I was pretty sleepless, we've got a lot of good news. Talking to my business partner yesterday, we've got some opportunities on the horizon, so I'm going to be having a really busy schedule for the next couple of weeks. So there will be some drone flight, there will be some work, and I don't know when I'm going to hook up the Airstream because I had the intention of getting down to Wickenburg soon and meeting up with a couple of friends from Georgia. So we're going to have to play it by ear. All I know is the extra busyness starts tomorrow morning. So at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, I will be heading off with the drone bagged up and some other equipment and spending the morning on a new trail. And that's all I'm going to say about that. So in addition to work and everything and the fact that my friends from Georgia out here, I also met another Airstreamer yesterday named Tony. And so we got to chat for a little bit, and he's actually popped by the YouTube channel, so we got talking, and he decided to come up and check out Prescott. So he's traveling around and also working from the road, doing remote work, and he's actually from Canada, so hiding out from the cold weather down here in Arizona, and decided to come up from Cave Creek to see what's going on in Prescott. So it's good to meet you, Tony, and you'll probably pop up in here later today as well. But that's one of the neat things is the people you meet in traveling and full-time RVing. Even when we've been stationary on the upper loop, you meet new people almost every day who are traveling and passing through. Some are full-time travelers, some are just out for a weekend of fun. Especially here in Prescott, when it's really hot down in Phoenix, it's not as bad up here. So a lot of Phoenix comes up to Prescott and Flagstaff during the summer just to get out of the heat. Flagstaff's even cooler than us, but we're over 5,000 feet here. So we're definitely cooler year-round than Phoenix is. And then if you go up to Flagstaff, it's even cooler up there. So they get the real snow, and they kind of get the New England temperatures during the summer. So, okay, I need to get back to work, and I'll probably be adding some other video into this. This is not an exciting day, but I kind of want to document some of the realities of living full-time in an Airstream and working from an Airstream. And today's one of those tired days that still getting work done, but God, I could use a nap. That might happen today. So yesterday I was exhausted, and I actually got enough sleep last night. Today we are out in the Granite Dells, backside of the Peavine Trail. So I'm out here with Greg and Chris, much more awake, and yes, this is part of work today too. So I get to be outside, and it is part of work. Alrighty, well, I hope you enjoy the images around here, and we're looking for areas to actually fly the drone from as well.